the arm for my hand. I am yours without command. I will always take a stand for me and you. I am true and will never, ever, ever try to make you blue. And if I do, can we forgive and forget? Can we ignore the upset? Cause I can promise you that life is short but beautiful. And if we connect and be dutiful about keeping our words full of love, keeping our actions consistently above and beyond, rising at dawn to make sure that you're still there and we're still one. Even in death I can feel your stare of pure j'adore. You are mi amor. You make me think that love is what life is for. When you are here, I'm okay. I'm glad I'm coming home. You are a mirror. You let me play. You got me in a zone. I see my higher self when you are near. And now I never roam. I can loosen my belt, relax, no fear. A reflection of love, you shine back to me.
तर आम्ही आता इथे एक स्टॉप घेतला. आता इथून 25 किलोमीटरवर आमचं घर आहे.
Making sure you know I appreciate all that you do. Knowing the problems, they are in our mind. And if we are honest, we will always find peace and joy, health and love. You are a gift from above. There is no doubt on my dependence, but my transcendence was dependent on looking at you with a reverence that I should look at myself with. This was a gift to see divine in you, because it flowered in me, and eternity is not what matters. We make part, but the latter will always be the universe. You, me, make one, not three. When you are here, I'm okay. I'm glad I'm coming home. You are a mirror. You let me play. You got me in a zone. I see my higher self when you are near. And now I never roam. I can loosen my belt, relax, no fear. I know I'm strong because you are. Everything in our life reflects back to us just what we